The Department of Science and Technology tasked the CSIR with implementing an educational and rural economic development program that could assist young rural learners to enter into the farming industry as entrepreneurs. Researchers took up the challenge by developing the Technology for Rural Innovation and Economic Development program, which amongst other things teaches and provides courses for agri-entrepreneurship at high school. This provides potential farmers with the skills needed to run their own farming businesses. The program kicked off in the Chris Hani district in the Kofimbaba area in the Eastern Cape, and after its success there is being validated in the Vembe district in Limpopo in the Vuwani area.
The challenge to the CSIR was to apply technology at a large scale into a rural education space. So in the Eastern Cape, we then went about to design a systemic solution rather than just applying technology to the problem. We looked at how we could intervene in the school system in such a way that it affected the agricultural system around it. We became aware that Chipakoni here had just introduced agricultural management practice into the school curriculum as well, and they were in need of practical space because that's one of the requirements for agricultural management practice teaching or the subject teaching. We were able to convince the Department of Trade and Industry to fund this validation of the model that we've developed in the Eastern Cape, and we've been working actively with the school district and with the school specifically and with the community for about 14 months now. We are very excited about the progress that is being made here, both in the school as well as in the community around it, because part of our dream is to build a bridge from the school system into the agricultural system, so that we can see the next generation of young small-scale farmers start well and get into the future.
For the schools involved, adopting the program has changed learners' perception around farming as a business and also developed the community's awareness regarding farming for commercial reasons.
The manner in which the Department of Education, CSIR and all these stakeholders linked us with the local community. Even our traditional chief was so excited, and he supported us. He allowed us to use the open land which is available next to their village. We started with the plowing, and then we introduced this to our learners and teachers. They were all excited, especially because most of the trainees who are around here are the former students who did agricultural science and AMP.
The agricultural incubator servicing the school currently supplies maize, beans and other produce to the local market and has plans to become a learning center for community members who want to become small-scale farmers.
The impact that we have at the moment is that there's a lot of young people that want to farm. The issues are that they not always have access to land. We are having skills development programs. We've contracted in an NGO called Bootle Farming Academy. They are coming to help us to do the first part of the training. We've been doing our own training as well that was developed in-house, also from Kofimbaba, and we call it Agribusiness for Learners. So this project has two legs. The one is the agricultural school, and the other part has got to do with empowering the local community, local small farmers. At the school level, we are giving them practical training, hands-on training. And at the community level, we are giving them training in the business of agriculture.
In this course, I am learning how to maintain a business, or how could I become a business advisor or also an agricultural advisor. For now, I am the one who is the advisor of business. I have people of more than 10 who are all small-scale farmers. I am advising them and opening up their mind to see that agriculture is not about farming, it is also about doing a business.
After two successful projects in the Eastern Cape and Limpopo, the CSIR is looking to use the model as a blueprint in other provinces with the aim of assisting the birth of a new generation of young farmers coming out of our rural schools and communities.